Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. So today I will be doing a get ready with me. I've already done my skincare, as you would have seen. I've also already picked out an outfit which I've almost all put on, but I will show you that after I finish my makeup. Got my hair done yesterday, so it's very tight still. I'm just wearing it in a ponytail for right now, and then we'll like figure that out later. But let me first actually do my edges before I start my makeup. I will be using the Got To Be glue for that. This is a clear one. I just like using this. I don't have too many edges right now because they're all like in the braids, so I'm just gonna kind of figure out what I do have and work with it. I'm not really great at doing edges, but I try to just do something. I want to do like half a path down, but I'm gonna do that after I finish my makeup. What am I gonna do with my makeup? I was thinking of doing like a brown liner because I've never done it before and I've seen multiple people do it and it looks really cute. Let me put in my earrings. First, going to prime my skin. I really love using the Milani Prime Protect and the Benefit Professional together. Just love how it makes my skin look. I use the Milani one like pretty much like all over my face besides my nose or like my T-zone, and then I use Professional on my T-zone because I am oily there. I'm not even going anywhere today really. I'm just working at home, but maybe this will give me an excuse to go out and get some coffee. My like Starbucks stamp card is full, so I can get a free drink. First thing we want to do is cover up these under eye bags because they're awful. I'm just using the Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the color medium tan neutral, and I'm putting on a generous amount because I'm not going to be putting on foundation. I've just lately not been really into foundation. I really want to buy a new one, but I don't know which one to get, and yeah, I don't know. Because I haven't really been wearing foundation. I've been preferring powder foundation because I don't know, it just looks better on the skin to me, and it lasts long on me as well because I am oily, so like using a powder, it's just like it works better on my skin. Also going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in Deep to contour. It's crazy that this was my actual skin color last summer and look at how fucking pale I got. Like this matched me. So I'm just going to blend this out first. Doesn't have to be blended perfectly because I'm also going in with that skin color, or yeah, like the one underneath my eyes. So that's going to, I need some more on this side. that's going to like blend it all together. It's crazy to me that I'm contouring or like bronzing with this now when this was my skin color this summer. I cannot wait to get tan again. And I don't need anyone commenting like, I've never heard a black person say they're pale. Like, yes, I get pale, as you can tell. And also, like, I'm mixed. I get even lighter than, like, you know, if you're fully black. I just get really pale when I don't get any sun. And here in Holland, there's just, like, no sun ever. So I can't, like, keep up with my summer tan. So I'm basically just kind of blending this all... Basically blending this all out. I know we don't support Too Faced anymore, guys, but I still have this concealer. And I honestly still really love it, and I don't want to repurchase it because of everything that happened. So let me know if there's like a good dupe for this one, because this is like the best concealer I've ever used. If I can't find a dupe, I'm gonna have to like repurchase it, but I don't want to. Hope this angle is also kind of okay, because I currently have my camera on a tripod but kind of lowered, like angled downwards, because I did not have anything sturdy to put this camera on. I'm going to blend this out. By the way, this brush is from Hourglass. I got it in a PR package with their, I forgot what foundation it was, but it came with the foundation. And I love how this blends. Sometimes I go through a phase where I just use beauty blenders, but right now I've just not been like, I don't know, I've just been too lazy to even wet my beauty blender. So I tend to reach for this brush more, kind of switch between the two. And I used to always do my brows first, but as you can tell, I've not done my brows yet and it looks kind of crazy, but I've been preferring doing my brows after I do my base, but like before I set my base. So after I blend this, we're actually going to head on to brows. As you can see, I'm very glowy right now, which is good. And it's all concealers. Like obviously you can do this with foundation as well. Maybe I'm just wasting concealer, but I just feel like concealer is just so much lighter on my skin and it doesn't give me a cakey look and it just lasts longer. I only use two products for my brows, which is the Anastasia brow powder and the Anastasia clear brow gel. I've been growing out my brows for the past month or two, I think. Just like not really tweezing them. I only tweeze a little bit like right here when I feel like there's too much hair, and then also in between my brows. But maybe I can zoom you in for this. There we go. Yeah, my brows are just like very fluffy right now and definitely not as full as I want them to be. Like, I mean, they're full as in like the hairs are, like there's a lot of hairs, but it's just like kind of sparse. So I take the Anastasia brow powder in Ebony and I just use the darker shade, and I just pretty much go in and start like filling in sparseness, but I still like follow my natural brow shape. I especially like my brows when my hair is like tight, because it gives me a little bit of a brow lift, which I have currently. And I just do a lot of brushing through. I like them to look fluffy. Brush upwards right here. And then I like to go in with, I'll just use this NYX Born to Glow concealer. It's in the color Golden. Just a tiny bit to carve them out and like clean them up. But I used to always use like a light shade and it gave me kind of like that halo brow. But now I just kind of wanted to like blend it in with the rest of my base, but still give that like sleek brow look, like sleek but fluffy. I'm just not the best at like filling them in neatly, so this kind of helps. And then I just blend that out. It's pretty good. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other side, and I'm just gonna speed that up for you real quick. Okay, I hate how this brow turned out, but oh my god, why does it look like that? Okay, whatever, let's ignore that. Oh my god, okay. I really need to powder my face because it looks so shiny. So now I'm going to powder off my, like underneath my eyes and my T-zone. And I basically just use the Laura Mercier loose setting powder for that. And I'm gonna go in. I'm so annoyed. I was trying to get a pair of Jordans this morning and I was like so fast, filled out all my things, and then they were sold out. I love that for me. I powder on my forehead, on my nose, which is going to make me look kind of ashy for a bit, but we're gonna fix that. This is just to make sure that I don't get too oily. And then around my smile lines, and also on my lids because we are putting on some shadow. Okay, now we look really crazy and ashy and we need to fix that ASAP. So I go in with my, oh my god, it's all over my shirt. I go in with my Bobbi Brown powder foundation and just start pressing this onto my skin, kind of dabbing it stippling, and this just evens out my skin tone, and this just makes my pores disappear completely. Like, I don't know what it is, but it just looks so good on the skin. And like, it doesn't even matter if I'm putting on a lot, like it will not look cakey. And as you can see, I'm running low. I've had this for a while already. Get rid of any eye boogers. I like to use this Makeup Geek bronzer and tawny to kind of create a contour because it's a bit more of a cooler tone, and I like using a fluffy brush for that. As you can see, my face still has a nice glow, which I like. It's not like fully matte, which just gives a more natural look. And then I'm using a like little stippling brush and my Kylie bronzer in Almond. I'm just gonna stippling that on. And also onto my nose. This is how I contour my nose, is by putting like bronzer on the tip of it and then doing like a slight definition with the Makeup Geek one and this small little brush. And I'm just gonna fix the tip of my nose. I want to go for this NYX palette. Oh my god, open it. And use the shade right here. It's very pigmented, so I have to be very... Oh my god, it's already too much. Jeez, why is it so pigmented? Looks a little weird. Before I head on to the rest, let me set up my brows real fast. I actually just realized I don't have an angled brush besides my brow brush, so I'm just going to use this brush and try and create a brown liner with it using, I think, these two shades from Miss Judy's palette. Kind of want to... Wait, how did I just nail that? I have not done liner in forever. Okay, I don't want to mess with it too much. I just fucking nailed that. How did I do that? What the hell? Watch me ruin this one. Yeah, this side's definitely better, but it's okay. It's quite nice. The tiniest bit of that lighter brown color. Like, I'm barely touching my lid, but just adding like a little bit of that while barely like touching my lid. Just giving it a bit more color. And I kind of want to take it from like the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm taking a smaller brush and mixing both colors and blending that underneath my eyes. Look at me being a makeup artist. I think that's good. Okay, so now I'm going to put on a little bit of highlighter. I'm only really putting on highlighter. I'm going to be using this one. Only really putting this on to like create more of like a dewy skin effect. Not really to be like super highlighted, but just to kind of create some fake dew, I guess, because as I said, I'm oily, so I can't really use too much like product that creates dewiness, but I can kind of create that effect by using highlighter. And then I'm going in with mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Colossal, my favorite, and I've noticed that if I don't curl my lashes, they actually look better than when I do curl them. Trying not to get it on my lid, which is always a struggle for me. It also look really good with like a brown mascara to like kind of blend in with your liner. Okay, I definitely got it on my lids, but it's okay. I could have actually put on a setting spray before doing this, but let's try to do it anyways. Okay, I basically just went in with the NYX matte setting spray and the radiant one. Love how that looks on my skin. And then I'm going in with my Freck, which is literally like so empty and I need to get a new one. But I create little beauty spots with this. Just finishes off the makeup. Very tempted to make every single pimple on my forehead a beauty spot. That is a great tip though. If you have like pimples anywhere, just make them a beauty spot. My favorite lip liner is the MAC lip liner in Cork. Gives that like really nice brown line to my lips. Wait, I forgot to do something. I use the excess on this brush, which I use to contour my nose, and put it underneath my lips. Especially on the side that's a bit smaller. This creates like a pouty effect. I'm really bad at lighting my lips. Oh my god. I always make them way too big. Let's go in with Bobbi Brown's Taupe. This is my favorite color. This L'Oreal lipstick in 652. Perfect. Okay, Now let's go ahead and do my hair because this ponytail is starting to hurt. It's actually really hard to get this ponytail in my hair. I basically had to make 2 separate ponytails and put them together. Ow. But since I got my hair done yesterday, it's still like kind of stiff. So I need to figure out a way to work with that. It's like at the root, obviously you don't want to burn your root, so it's like painful if you were to put hot water on there. I decided to not go for like very thick and full braids because last time it was just so freaking heavy on my head and I could not deal with that. So I'm gonna make sure it's kind of even, kind of like that. I'm thinking of maybe pulling these down. I think that's how I'm gonna just keep my hair. Okay, I'm gonna put on some perfume. I think that's it for the makeup and the hair. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys my outfit and then we're pretty much done with the video. So here we have my outfit. As you can see, that's how I was filming. Yeah, this is my outfit. So I went for kind of like a really chill blazer kind of look, very like kind of casual, business casual. I don't know what you would call this. But my blazer is from Stradivarius, and then my tank top is from Weekday, as well as these jeans, and then my belt is Topshop, and I'm wearing my Balenciaga Triple S to kind of give it more of that street style vibe. And then obviously I have my hair half up, half down, which kind of creates more of like a relaxed look, like more playful. And yeah, my hair exactly matches my jacket, which is so funny. But yeah, that is pretty much my outfit. I actually just went ahead and put up a bit more of my hair and took down these pieces. But that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. My arm's getting tired, so I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.